In this video, we'll review advanced searches using environment attribute values. In ProjectWise Explorer, launch the Search Builder by clicking on the search icon here and then selecting Search Builder. Click OK and the Define Search dialog opens. Next, we'll define our search criteria. Under Criteria Type, I'll select Environment Attribute. Then we'll select the environment we wish to search. And then we'll choose the attribute we're interested in. In this case, we'll choose Document Type with the value set to the letter O. Click Add Criteria, then Apply, and the search is run. It's also possible to locate documents with no attribute records. To do this, once again open the Search Builder wizard and define the criteria to Environment Attribute. Here, I'll choose Simple for the environment, and for the attribute, we'll use Document Type. And in the value, enter Null. Click Add Criteria, then Apply to run the search. Here, we see all the documents in ProjectWise with no attribute value that say Approved By are displayed. If your data source is configured for full text indexing and searching, you can also search for documents based on full text strings inside the files or inside general properties of the files. Once again, we'll open the Search Builder and define your desired search criteria. Here we'll select full text for the criteria type, ProjectWise attributes for the property, and including all words under attribute. Enter the value you're searching for, in this case, model, then click Add Criteria and Apply to run the search. You can run a similar search using Search by Form. Click the Advanced Search icon, and this time choose Document Search. Under the Full Text tab, select your desired criteria and click Apply. You can also search for documents based on work area type and work area properties. As before, navigate to the Search Builder and define your search criteria by selecting Work Area Type for Criteria Type. Under Type, we'll choose Civil, then click Add Criteria and Apply to run the search. Next, we'll search for the work area properties. This time, in the Search Builder under Criteria Type, select Work Area Properties. Under Type, we'll choose Geospatial, and let's say we want to see the documents that have reached 60% completion. Click Add Criteria, then Apply to run the search. Next, we'll review searching documents using OR Group. Using OR Group lets you search for documents that match one or another search criteria. Let's look at an example. Open the Search Builder wizard, and in this example, we'll search for all documents associated with MicroStation by selecting the criteria type General Properties, setting the property to Application, and then select the value microstation from the value dropdown. Click Add Criteria. Next, we'll add a second criteria by using OR group. This time, we'll set the criterion type to General Properties and the property to Create Time. This opens a dialog where you can set the time frame you wish to search. We'll set this to prior to July 1st, then click Add Criteria, then Apply to run the search. And here we see the results are displayed. You can also use OR group to run a single search that contains more than one value of the same property of the attributes. Open Search Builder, and this time we'll set microstation again as our base criteria. Now click Add OR Group and select the application AutoCAD and click Add Criteria. Click Apply to run the search, and here we see files with both the DGN and DWG extensions based on our search criteria. You can run similar OR group searches using the search by form. To do this, click on the search icon and this time select Document Search. Here we see the search by form. We'll select microstation as our initial search requirement, then click Add OR Group. Next, we'll go to On and we'll choose earlier than the 1st of July. Click Apply to run the search. Let's run one more search, this time with microstation as our base criteria, then click Add OR Group. Here we'll add the application AutoCAD, then click Apply to run the search. As before, we see documents with both DGN and DWG extensions in the search results.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.